Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. I have been an English teacher in Vietnam for 7 years. I used to teach in Hanoi, but now I live in my wife's hometown and teach English with her here. It's about 1 hour away from Hanoi. I have taught students of all levels, but I want this channel to focus on people who are teaching their ears how to hear and understand spoken English. The key to teaching your ears how to listen to and understand spoken English is to listen absolutely every day. And I want to help. I want to make a lot of videos about many different topics so that you can practice listening to me with my American English accent. I also love teaching pronunciation, so I will help you in many of my videos to speak more clearly so that other people can understand you. In these videos, you will also learn how to use complicated grammar rules correctly and naturally. That's very important. And you will learn how to use complicated words correctly. If you are ready to hear slow, clear, and American English, please like and subscribe and click one of the other videos. I look forward to seeing you there.